Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to publish a website in Carrd. Whether you're launching a personal portfolio, a landing page, or a quick business site, Carrd makes the entire process incredibly straightforward and accessible. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account without any delays. Logging in will bring you to your main dashboard where all your site management happens. Now, once you're logged in, look towards the upper right panel of your screen. Here you'll see an option that says Plus New Site. If you're starting fresh, click on that button to create a brand new project. However, if you already have an existing site you'd like to work on, you can simply select and edit that instead. For this tutorial, let's assume you're creating something new. After clicking Plus New Site, you'll be taken to a selection screen where Carrd offers you various templates. For now, navigate to the option labeled Blank Page and click Select. This gives you a clean slate to build your site exactly how you envision it, without any pre-existing elements getting in the way. With your blank page open, direct your attention to the upper right corner again. You'll see a plus button, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Table. This allows you to add a structured table element to your site, which is useful for organizing information clearly and professionally. Once the table is added, you'll notice that the left panel becomes active with customization options. Here, you can adjust the headings of your table to match the content you're planning to display. Take a moment to personalize these headings so they align with your site's purpose. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Done to save them. Now comes the exciting part, actually publishing your site. In the upper right panel, locate and click the button that says Publish this site. This will open up a publishing window where you need to provide some essential details about your site. First, enter a title for your site in the designated field. This title helps identify your site and also plays a role in how it appears in search results. Right below that, you'll see a field for a description. Type in a brief, clear description that summarizes what your site is about. This is useful for SEO purposes and gives visitors a quick understanding of your content. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Name beside .carrd.co. In this field, type your preferred URL name. This is the unique web address people will use to find your site, so choose something memorable and relevant to your brand or purpose. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Publish button. Carrd will take a moment to process and make your site live. After it's published, you'll see an option to View Site. Go ahead and click that to test your newly published website and make sure everything looks and functions as expected. And there you have it, your website is now live on Carrd. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.